Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me for my 6 ways of securing your wigs. So I get often asked how I secure my wigs. So I thought I'd put together a little tutorial on the things that I do or did or other people do. So let's start with the very first one you should do is the back of your wig. You will have adjusters. So these allow you to change the circumference of your wig to make it tighter by pulling it or wider by moving it out. So do that first because that might give you enough security that you think actually, yeah, that fits nicely. Wig liners. Also called wig caps. This one is a nylon one. You can get it in bamboo as well. So what this will do is it will cover your bio hair, or it will also form a little bit of a soft barrier if you have no hair to the wig cap itself. So it will be in general more comfortable to wear. It also adds friction between the actual wig cap and this wig liner. So it will, I feel on me when I wear it, it feels immediately much more secure because of that friction. So you put it on like this and just make sure that the top line here, the front of that wig cap, sits slightly behind your actual hairline so that it doesn't show through. And then you put your wig on. And because it's further back, you can't see the wig cap. But if you can see here, it gives you a little bit more of a slightly darker skin color. If you feel like you're at the stage where you want to shave your head and you still have some bio hair, what I find is when I shave it to about this length as it is now, it helps secure the wigs as well because it's like nature's Velcro, so to speak. It adds a lot of friction to it, and combined with the straps at the back, it's very secure on me. I don't need anything else really to add to my wigs. A wig grip. There are many wig grips out on the market. I tried a few and I gotta say, I love this one. I will link my unboxing video here so you can see the name. It's called the Ultimate Wig Grip. It's available from My Beautiful Wigs. I will link the information below. I love it. It's very comfortable. It's very slim. So it has a lace front here as well. And you can adjust it at the back without any lumpiness because of the way the fasteners work. And it's really nice for petite heads up to large heads, so it will fit everyone. So how you do it is put it on, decide where you want your part. Now I have my part on the wig I want to wear on this side, so I will put it there. I have already adjusted it to my head size because every now and then I do use it for wigs that in generally are bigger on me, like Beltress and Raquel Welch. That should be about right. Here, just make sure that the velvety areas are behind your hairline. Put your wig on. And I already feel it's really hard to move it to where I need to. So it does do its job of gripping the wig really nicely. As you can see, you can't actually see it at all. Okay, so, and then there is no movement at all. Wig grips are one of the easiest and quickest solution, I think, for securing your wigs. There are two that I very occasionally use. It's the got to be glued hairspray, and also the got to be ultra glued styling gel for edges. I use these only really if my lace front at the front is a bit wobbly or a bit too big on me. You spray it on, then you put the wig on, and you secure it. I put a tutorial up here by someone else who explains it really well, who has already got a tutorial for it. Wig tape. They come in strips like this. They are see-through, so you wouldn't see them. So on both sides, very sticky. So they look like this. And you basically place it wherever you feel the need. So some people use it to glue down their lace fronts. So they put it on here and then put the lace front over it. Also, if your wig has polyurethane strips on the ear tabs, so you can secure them there. And sometimes if they have these polyurethane strips at the back, you can secure it there as well. Completely up to you, whatever you feel is the most useful to you. I will link another video up here, someone who shows you that in more detail. So I hope you found this really useful. If you did, like and subscribe, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.